Friends, this is standard 10 subject English. Up to now we have completed 3 chapters in main textbook. So today I don't want to start SR. So today I will start chapter number 4, that is called From the Diary of Anne Frank. We can say Anne Frank or we can say Anne Frank, right? So this is a real story. Let me tell you, my dear students, this is a real story that happened in New Zealand, right? So let's see from the diary of Anne Frank or Anne Frank, both we can say as I told you. See the chapter's title, right? Even the picture of Anne also given. You can see the picture of Anne Frank, how was she, right? Because she died very early, right? So it will come in the chapter at what age she died, because of which circumstances, okay? So from the diary of Anne Frank, written by herself, Anne Frank. So let's see the introduction before I start the chapter, because introduction is must. Let me start. See the first paragraph of introduction, that how was she, where she was born and when she died and what happened to her. Let's see in the introduction. See the full name of Anne Frank given here, right? Anne Liz Mary, right? What is the full name of Anne? Anne Liz Mary. She was born on 12th June 1929. See, she was born on 12th June 1929. Here it is given that February or March, on which day she died, because date is not certain plus month is not exact, right? So because of that, here February/March written, right? In 1945 she died. Exactly month and date is not mentioned, or nobody knows, because there was a situation. So that's why here exactly not mentioned. So on 12th June 1929 she was born, and in February or March, not exactly, in 1945 she died. So see the difference, only 16 year, only 16 year she was dead, right, at the time of 16 year. So was a German born Jewish girl. See, she was from Germany, she was Jewish girl, and who wrote while in hiding with her family. See, at the time of Second World War, this is a true story as I told you. So at the time of Second World War, his father, her father and she, whole family were hiding in one particular place, right, to save themselves, right. So they were trying, how can we save ourselves? So they were hiding, plus 4 friends in Amsterdam. Amsterdam is the capital of New Zealand, Netherlands, not New Zealand. Amsterdam is a capital of Netherlands. That time, German occupation of the Netherlands in World War II. As I told you, at the time of Second World War, they were trying to hide themselves in Amsterdam, right? In Amsterdam, capital of Netherlands. Then, and you know, Nazis were trying to attack on Netherlands. So what happened? See, her family had moved to Amsterdam after the Nazis gained power in Germany. First they were living in Germany, she was born in Germany, but Nazis, they attacked on Germany, so they were trying to hide themselves and they left Germany, and then now they left, after leaving Germany they went to Netherlands in Amsterdam, right, particular place. So when they went over there, but after 2 years they were trapped. From there also they were trapped when the Nazi occupation extended into the Netherlands. See, not only Germany, Nazis captured Germany, when after they went to Netherlands, there also they captured after 2 years, so they had to survive somewhere else. So as persecution against the Jewish population increased, the family went into hiding in July 1942 in hidden rooms. Now see, my dear students, they didn't have any option. Till 2 years they were hiding. See the situation. How can we live like that? That we have to live inside and inside only. We cannot come out. We have to hide ourselves So see the situation of Anne Frank at the age of 15 or 16. How was she, right? How she was suffering from this World War II. So they were hiding in a particular room in the father Otto Frank. Otto Frank is the father of Anne Frank. So there was one office. In that office there were rooms. They were hiding over there, building, right? In that, in July 1942. See, in July 1942, they were hiding themselves in particular room of her father's room, right? Office, means office, there were rooms in that. So let's see why introduction is given, because introduction is must. How she died, because of what you come to, means you should come to know. And when she started writing, and how diary became successful, how diary became famous at that time, though she died. Let's see through chapter, right? Still introduction is going on. Let's see. Up to now what I said, she was born in Germany. In Germany, Nazis attacked and then they left Germany. They went to Netherlands. In Netherlands, they were staying over there for 2 years, but Nazis captured Netherlands also. They have to leave that place, and then in Anne Frank's father's office, they were staying. They were trying to hide themselves, right? Till that, have you understood? Now see next. The diary was given to Anne Frank for her 13th birthday and chronicles the events of her life from 12th June 1942 until its final entry of 1st August 1944. Now, at what time first time diary was given to her, and who has given? The father of Anne Frank given a diary to Anne Frank on her 13th birthday as a birthday gift, right? So she thought that let me start writing diary as given by my father as a birthday gift. So what she thought, what should I write? She thought that I will write what happened in my life from 12th June 1942 to 1st August 1944. In between, whatever situation happened that I know, I remember, let me note down in my diary. See, that time she was not serious for writing diary, or a particular reason was not there. Only she thought I should write a diary, and she started writing between this period, as I told you. I was eventually translated from its original Dutch into many languages. See, when she started writing, obviously she was from Germany, so she was writing in Dutch language. Which language? Dutch language. And then it became very famous, and that diary was translated into many languages, right? It was translated into many languages and became one of the world's most widely read books. See, one of the most read books means everybody started reading. As soon as it was published, everybody started reading. Till I have not told you that after her death, how is that possible that diary was published, and who published, and how it will come in the chapter. Right now I am talking about introduction, right? So after writing diary in Dutch languages, it was translated into many languages, plus it was became just one of the best book when it was published, right? Let's see next. Not only book published, but there have also been several films on this diary, on the story of this diary. There were several films they have produced, plus television serials, plus theatrical production. See, from this diary only of 2 years, then after she died, right? She started in 1942 till 44 she wrote, and 1945 she died. Only in 2 years she wrote and it was published. And just imagine how 13-year-old girl can write like a writer. And this is a real story of Anne Frank, right, in Germany. So how it is possible that 13-year-old girl can write a diary and can be published in the form of book and can be famous, right? Means just see, it is a miracle even, right? So even an opera based on the diary. Opera you know, right? In other country it is a form of drama on the stage in the hall, right? Like we have somewhat performance that way. So, described as the work of a mature and insightful mind. What is the meaning of insightful? Intelligent. As a 13-year-old girl, she was very intelligent. The diary provides an intimate examination of daily life under Nazi occupation. See, whatever she felt when she was in Germany, when she was in Netherlands, what she felt about Nazi people and their occupation, how they captured, that way she was feeling and she started writing. Anne Frank has become one of the most renowned means famous. She became famous and discussed of the Holocaust victims. See, she became the victim of that World War II. Otherwise, how she was intelligent at the age of 13 she can write, then if her age will be more than 40 or 30, she could write the best, right? But she was no more. So, she became the victim of Second World War. This was about introduction. Now, let us see when she started writing her diary, what she wrote first and what happened. Let us see. See, I have put a picture. You can see this is a real picture of Anne Frank, right? Diary. That how she wrote. You can zoom when you will see this video and you can see that her handwriting, right? How she wrote exactly. So, see, let me start the chapter after the introduction. Writing in a diary is really strange experience for someone like me. Me here, Anne Frank or Anne Frank. You know what? It is very difficult to write something. A writer will go in a deep process and then they can write. Everybody cannot write or everybody cannot have that capacity to write something in the form of poem, poetry, drama or diary, right. So, she thought that it is a really strange experience for me to write a diary when she started writing. Not only because I have never written anything before, not because this reason that up to now I have not written anything, I have not tried anything, not because of this reason. The reason is, but also because it seems to me that later on neither or I nor anyone else will be interested in musings. See, what she was thinking while writing a diary, she was thinking that is there anyone or will be interested in reading my diary, even me after writing my diary will be means anybody interested or I will be interested, question mark, right. She was thinking like that. Musing means a particular thought, whatever she was about to write, that thought anybody will be interested, there is a question mark. Of a 13-year-old school girl, obviously school girl 13 means just imagine you are in 10th, so your age is around 15 or 16 years. So, 13 means obviously she will be in 8th standard or 9, right. Let us consider 8th standard. So, as a 8th standard girl, how can she write like a poet? See, it is a miracle, right. Oh well, it does not matter. I do not care, people will read or not, people will give response or not. I am interested in writing diary, so I will write. I feel like writing. Now I am feeling that I have to write, I should write, and I have even greater need to get all kinds of things off my chest. Means whatever she was thinking to express something that has been worrying you, right. Means whatever she was thinking, her feelings, her emotions, her observations, her feelings, everything she wanted to note down, right, in her diary. And let me tell you, she was interested in writing diary, not only that she loved to. The another reason is there, will come in next para. In short, she started writing diary about her life, what happened only in 2 years, right, what happened to her. Let us see next. See exactly the picture of diary. See her handwriting while when you zoom. What she is saying, paper has more patience than people. This is a beautiful line. You can put in a WhatsApp WhatsApp status. Even you can use when you give a speech anywhere, particular line, the baseline, that paper has more patience than people. Why? If you write your expressions, you are telling to your diary, means you are talking to your diary. But if you tell to one person, if you want to make it secret, obviously that person will not have patience, will tell to others. This is the meaning of the line, paper has more patience than people, means paper will understand your feelings and will not tell to anyone, obviously non-living things, right? The meaning is that. I thought of this saying on one of those days when I was feeling a little depressed. See, when she started writing diary, when she was feeling depressed, when she was feeling that nobody is with me, so I should spend my time with something, and that time she started writing. She was feeling depressed somewhat, right? And was sitting at home with my chin in my hands. See, that way she was thinking and deeply interested that I think now this is the time I should start writing diary because I am depressed. So, if I am indulged in one particular activity, my depression will be gone, right? She was thinking like that. Even bored and listless. Listless means what? I have written in brackets. See, having no energy. She was feeling bored, she was feeling depressed, she was feeling listless, having no energy. Then she started writing diary for herself, right? I finally stayed, means wondering whether to stay in or go out. She was not trying to take decision. Should I stay home? Should I stay out? What she wants to do, she was not able to understand. I finally stayed where I was. Obviously, as I told you in introduction, she was trying to hide. Not only she, whole family was trying to hide because of Second World War. So she decided I will stay home where I was and brooding. Brooding means see, engage in deep thought about something that makes one sad. She was trying to recall all the memories she had that is sad, so she can note down in the diary, right? That was brooding. Yes, paper does have more patience, and since I am not planning to let anyone else read this stiff backed notebook grandly. See what she was saying, though I will write, but I am not allowing to anyone to read this diary that I have written because I am proud that I have written, referred to as a diary, unless I should ever find a real friend. If I will find a real friend, then and then only I will give my diary to read, otherwise not, right? So, till I find a real friend, I will not give my diary to anyone else to read. It probably won't make a bit of difference, means nobody can understand my feelings that I wrote in the diary. So, except I find a true friend, I will not give to anyone to read this diary. Let's see next. See, now you can see exactly the picture of Annie Frank, right? How she was looking at the age of 13 years. This is a real picture of Anne Frank from Germany. Maybe I will tell you at the end of the story that when she died, she was unable to produce the book, right? So, who produced the book and who published? So, you can see even this picture after her death who put, right, in this particular diary. So, this is the original picture of Anne Frank. So, now I am back to the point that prompted. Prompted means decided something. Now I am excited. Nothing I want to think, people will read or not, people will give response or not. I want to write means I want to write, right, for my satisfaction, for myself. Then, me to keep a diary in first place, I don't have a friend. What she started writing? I don't have a friend, so I consider my diary as my best friend, and that way I am started writing. See, let me put it more clearly, since no one will believe that a 13-year-old girl is completely alone in the world. Is it possible that 13-year-old girl will say, I am completely alone. Maybe father, if father is not there, mother or sister, brother or friends or any relative will be there. And she had still, see, downside given information about her family members. Still she is saying, though she has everything, still she is saying, I am alone in the world. That way she was feeling, right? That way she was feeling. And I am not. As I told you, she is not alone physically, but mentally she was alone. Let's see next. I have loving parents. Obviously she had parents and a 16-year-old sister. She had 16-year-old sister as well as parents. Then, and there are about 30 people I can call friends. See, not only parents and sister, she had 30 friends, 30. See my dear students, still she was feeling alone and speaking the sentence that I am feeling like in the whole world nobody is with me, right? I have a family, not only family members, even loving aunts and a good home. She had a good home, big home, still she is feeling depressed and alone because she cannot express her feelings to anyone. So what she decided? Let me write a diary, let me say my emotions and let me say my feelings to diary. See my dear students, this is not a fake story, this is real story happened in Germany in 1945 when she died, right? So in reality also possible. So many people are there in the whole world, why they are going in depression? Though they have too much reach, means they are too much rich, they have everything, all the possessions, all the family members, still they are depressed because mentally they are alone, right? We have seen in the news nowadays, right? So depression is a very big disease, we can say. One should not be depressed. Try to come out from that. Try to come out from that. It is very necessary. Okay. So let's see next. No. On the surface, I seem to have everything. Means, though I have all the people, but that is for the sake of. What can we say? For the sake of that we have. But I cannot exactly express my feelings to them. Except for my one true friend. Means, she is saying, I want one exactly true friend to whom I can share my exact feelings that I am feeling, right? So that true friend I don't have, though I have so called 30 friends, though I have family and loving parents and sister plus loving aunts. Let's see. She was writing in the diary like this. Then see, all I think about when I am with friends is having a good time. See, she had 30 friends, so she was trying to be friendly with them, but she was unable to, right? She was trying to share her feelings to them, but she was unable to. I can't bring myself to talk about anything but ordinary everyday things. See, she wanted to tell them each and everything, but obviously they were not interested and she was unable to share happily my feelings. So she was thinking they are so called friends, I cannot express my feelings to them. We don't seem to be able to get any closer. I didn't try to get them closer. They didn't try to get me, meet me in a closer way, right? And that's the problem. This was the reason I could not tell them my true friend. Maybe it's my fault. Is this possible, right? That it was my fault. I was unable to do that we don't confine. See, means if I want to tell something that is private or personal, that I should have a trust on someone, then only I can say. That she was thinking, right? So, if you want to tell privately, there should be a trust, then only you can say. So, that trust I don't find in anyone. So, that's why I do not consider any of them as my true friend. So, that I want. I want at least one true friend, so I can share my feelings and I can trust him or her, right? In any case, that's just how things are. and unfortunately they are not liable to change. Now obviously I cannot change whatever they are doing, I cannot share my feelings, this is reality, I need to accept. So then what happened? This is why I have started the diary. Which was the first reason that she started writing a diary? Not that she has not written or she is deeply interested in writing. The first reason was when she started writing, she was feeling depressed, she was feeling alone. Though she had all the family members and 30 so-called friends, she didn't have a true friend that she can express her feelings, and because of that she started writing a diary. This was the main big reason that she started writing a diary. Let's see next para what she wrote afterwards. To enhance the image, you can see diary still, right? In a place particular it is put image of his long awaited friend in my imagination. See, now she started writing diary that way in a imagination. If I will have a true friend, which kind of that I want, right? That I will have such kind of true friend, and what will be the qualities of the true friend that I can share and I can have a trust on him or her. So that was imagination. She started thinking, I don't want to jot down the facts in this diary. You know what? Such people are writing only their qualities, what they have focused in their past, facts, what they have achieved, only that they are writing. But she decided that I don't want to write the facts that I had, that I got achievement in this particular standard or particular gold medal or something. She don't want to write that, she want to write something else, only her feelings, right? What she said, the way most people will do, people are doing that way I don't want to do, but I want the diary to be my friend. See, that way my diary is my friend and let me express my feelings, and that way I want to write, right? Exactly, I am talking to my diary, that way I want to write. The sentences will be like friendly, right? That way I want to write, and I am going to call this friend Kitty. See, she gave a name to her true friend, that is diary, and called Kitty, Kitty, right? So she started calling her diary Kitty, her true best friend, as she started sharing her feelings to diary after writing. So see, since no one would understand a word of my stories to Kitty, obviously if you tell to someone, people will laugh, right? People cannot understand. So if it were to plunge right in, start write, it means start writing at that particular moment that she wanted to write, okay? So she wanted to write and then she wanted to capture that moment. I had better provide a brief sketch of my life, much as I dislike doing so. See, what is the meaning of this sentence? She said that if I will write a diary, only my feelings, when people will read in future, maybe I feel, so they will not understand why I am writing these feelings only. So they should know my background, they should know my brief sketch of my life. But see the last line, I dislike doing so. I don't want to tell my particular brief sketch of my life, but I have to do, because if I literally start writing diary, people will not understand why I have written this. People should know my background, my life, then only they can come to know that at what time I started writing diary, how I started writing diary, and what I was feeling. So though I don't like to tell my feelings, my background, but I will say, because people cannot understand without my background, without my sketch of my life. So let's see next. Before she started writing diary, she thought that let me give my brief sketch so people can come to know that if I write these feelings, what is the meaning of that. After reading my introduction, they will come to know when they will read. Let's see. See, she started giving her introduction. that where she was born, though I talked about in introduction, but exactly what she wrote in diary, before that diary in one page, right, when people will start reading on a very first page. See the picture I have put, her sister, her parents, right, only 4 they were. So let's see, my father, the most adorable father. Adorable means loving. See, she is using the word adorable, loving. Still saying, she is saying I am alone, right? Her father was lovable, her father was adorable. Still she is saying I am alone. See, let's see what the reason. I have ever seen. Up to now I have not seen father like him, very loving. Didn't marry my mother until he was 36. See, generally you know people get married at the age of 25 to 30 or 21 to 30. So she means he got married. I am talking about Anne's father got married at the age of 36 with her mother, and her mother was only 25. Her mother was only 25, means 10 years old than her mother. My sister Margot. What is the name of her sister? Margot. See, she was born in Frankfurt in Germany. Obviously, both were born in Germany, Frankfurt, in 1926, and she was born in 1929, and sister was born in 1926. I lived in Frankfurt until I was 4. See, she was only 4 years old, and then they have to leave that place, right? Only till 4 she was living in Frankfurt, and they have to leave Germany, as I told you, because of Second World War. My father immigrated. Immigrated means leaving that country and settle in another country. Leaving one particular country and trying to settle in another country, that is called immigration, right? So, to Holland in 1933. See, at the age of 1929 she was born, and then after till 4 years she was in Germany, and then they have to leave that place and they went to some other country in 1933. My mother, Edith Hollander Frank. What is the name of her mother? Edith Hollander Frank went with him. Now see, father and mother, they both went to one particular place in Holland, right? Where they were gone? Holland in September. They didn't go, means Annie Frank plus sister of Annie Frank or Anne Frank, they didn't go. Only parents went to Holland in 1933 in September, whereas Margot and I were sent to Aachen, a city in Germany, to stay with our grandmother. See, still their parents left Germany and they were also about to leave, but they have to settle in another country. So they want some time how to settle in different country, right? So they both were sent to Germany only in one particular city, Aachen, and to stay with her grandmother, right? So up to now I think, let me just complete up about when she started writing. She gave a brief character sketch that who were there in her family and how was she when she was born, when she was shifted, and what happened. So in the next video or maybe in live class I will discuss next that what happened when she started writing diary, and at the time of World War they were trying to hide. And let me tell you, my dear students, she wrote diary mostly in hiding place, right? 2 years in that particular office of her father. So she was writing in a roughly pages, right? Not considering that exactly poet book, right? So they were not able to come out from that place. Only she was staying at home and writing diary in rough pages. And did she know that after my death it will be a perfect book or famous book? No. Only for the sake of writing and for only for leaving depression she started writing. So in next video we will come to know that what happened after she wrote about her family members, and then let's see what happened next, okay, in the next video. Till that, in worksheet I have given that word meanings, you copy down, and read, right? Though exam is not there, reading is must. Thank you.